नाम से डरा मत करो.
Hi everyone, how are you? I hope all are doing good. Welcome back to Murahari Maths online classes. Today I would like to explain trigonometry problems. Okay, now explain question number 1. If e to the power sin square x plus sin to the power 4x plus up to infinity into log 2 base c equal to 8, then we have to find cos x by cos x plus sin x, where x lies between 0 to pi by 2. So e to the power sin square x plus sin to the power 4x up to infinity into log 2 base c equal to 8 given. E to the power. So let us observe sin square x plus sin to the power 4x plus up to so on infinity. This is infinite GP. So infinite GP, sum of infinite GP formula a by 1 minus r. Okay, where modulus r less than 1. Where a is first term, what is first term? A is equal to sin square x and r is equal to common ratio. So t2 by t1 or t3 by t2, it will going to be sin to the power 4x by t2 by t1. So this is also one, sin square x get cancelled, sin square x. So modulus r less than 1. So modulus of sin x is less than 1. Okay, we should apply this formula. S infinity is equal to a by 1 minus r. So e to the power by a by 1 minus r. Where a relation we should write sin square x. R is also sin square x into log 2 base c is equal to 8. Okay. So it will going to be e to the power sin square x by 1 minus sin square x. So 1 minus sin square x, it will going to be cos square x. So 1 minus sin square x value cos square x. Sin square x by cos square x, we get tan square x into log 2 base c is equal to 8. Okay. We have one formula, m into log n is equal to log n to the power m. We should apply this formula, tan square x into log 2 base c. This tan square x taking in power, it will going to be e to the power log 2 to the power tan square x base c is equal to 8. We have one formula, a to the power log m base c is equal to m. Okay, so e to the power log 2 to the power tan square x base c. This is nothing but where m relation what value is there? 2 power tan square x. So 2 to the power tan square x is equal to 8. 8 can be written as 2 cube. We have got a 2 to the power tan square x is equal to 2 cube. Okay, if base is equal, powers are added. It will going to be tan square x is equal to 3. Therefore, tan x is equal to root 3. Plus or minus root 3, but x lies in first quadrant given. X lies between 0 to pi by 2. So, x is equal to 60 degrees. Okay. Now, our target is, so required cos x by cos x plus sin x. Cos x by cos x plus sin x, it will going to be, your expression right, cos 60 by cos 60 degrees plus sin 60 degrees. It will going to be cos 60 value 1 by 2, cos 60 1 by 2, sin 60 value root 3 by 2. Okay. So after LCM 2 get cancelled. It will going to be 1 by root 3 plus 1. Let us do rationalization. Root 3 minus 1 divide and multiply. It will going to be root 3 minus 1 by, so denominator a plus b into a minus b, it will going to be a square minus b square, 3 minus 1, 2. So this is answer. Root 3 whole square minus 1 square is nothing but 2. So what is answer? Root 3 minus 1 by 2. Let us go to the next problem. In the statement, cos x value tan x, tan y given, cot y value tan z given, as well as cot z value tan x given. Then we have to find sin x. So let us take cos x is equal to tan y. So tan y is nothing but 1 by cot y is equal to 1 by cot y value given from statement tan z. So 1 by tan z is nothing but cot z. Cot z value given from statement tan x. Okay, therefore cos x is equal to tan x. We have got cos x is equal to tan x. So tan x can be written as cos x is equal to sin x by cos x, right? So tan x formula sin x by cos x. So let us do cross product. Cos square x, cos x into cos x, cos square x is equal to sin x. Cos square x formula we have 1 minus sin square x is equal to sin x. So 1 minus sin square x bring the right side, 0 is equal to plus sin square x. Okay, plus sin x. Plus 1 bring the right side, minus 1. So it will going to be sin square x plus sin x minus 1 equal to 0. But our target is sin x value. Okay, on comparing the equation 1 with ax square plus bx plus c. Okay, where a, b, c values, so where a is 1, b is equal to 1 sin x coefficient, and c is equal to minus 1, and x value where x is equal to sin x. Okay, where x is equal to sin x. Okay, we have a, b, c values and x value. So where x value, x formula x is equal to minus b plus or minus square root of b square minus 4ac by 2a. Okay. The roots of the quadratic equation, x is equal to minus b plus or minus root over b square minus 4ac by 2a. Okay, right, x is where explanation we should write sin x minus b. So a, b, c value is 1, 1, minus 1. B value 1, right, minus 1, minus b plus or minus square root of b square. B square is 1 square, 4 into a value 1 and c value minus 1 by 2 into a value 1. It will going to be minus 1 plus or minus 1 plus 4, 5, root 5 by 2. Okay. So sin x is equal to 2 values, 1 minus root 5 by 2. And second value sin x is equal to minus 1 plus root 5 by 2. So minus 1 minus root 5 by 2. It will going to be minus 1 minus, this is 2 point something. So minus 3 point something by 2 minus 1 point something. Minus 1 point something. But sin x is always lies between minus 1 to plus 1. Okay, this is does not exist. So x sin x is equal root 5 minus 1 by 2. So root 5 value 2 point something minus 1 point something by 2 is 0 point something. The sin x is lies between minus 1 to plus 1 exists. So the sin x value root 5 minus 1 by 2 correct answer. Okay, sin x value minus 1 minus root 5 by 2, this is not defined. So sin x is equal root 5 minus 1 by 2 defined. Since sin x lies between minus 1 to plus 1. Okay, moving to next question. If p value given sin theta plus cos theta as well as q value sin cube theta plus cos cube theta are given, then find out p into p square minus 3. So first option 2q, second option minus 2q, third option q, fourth option minus q. Okay. First we have to find p into p square minus 3. Okay, let us take this value. Sin cube theta plus cos cube theta equal to q. We have aq plus bq formula. A cube plus b cube is equal to a plus b into a square plus b square minus ab. Okay. So where a plus b, where a is sin theta, b is cos theta. So a plus b sin theta plus cos theta into What is the formula? A square plus B square minus AB. A square sin square theta, B square cos square theta minus AB minus sin theta cos theta equal to Q. Okay. Sin theta plus cos theta value given from statement P. P into sin square theta plus cos square theta value 1 minus sin theta into cos theta is equal to Q. So let us take equation 1. So one more condition is given, P value given, sin theta plus cos theta is equal to P. First we have to find sin theta into cos theta. Okay, now squaring on both sides. Squaring on both sides. It will going to be sin A plus B whole square formula, sin square theta plus cos square theta plus 2 sin theta into cos theta equal to P square. Sin square theta plus cos square theta value 1 plus 2 sin theta cos theta equal to P square. Therefore, sin theta cos theta is equal to 2 sin theta cos theta is equal to P square minus 1. P square minus 1. Sin theta cos theta will be P square minus 1 by 2. Okay. Okay, in this equation 1, sin theta cos theta relation we should write P square minus 1 by 2. So P times of 1 minus P square minus 1 by 2 equal to Q. Okay. It will going to be P times of, let us do LCM 2 minus P square minus into minus plus 1 equal to Q. Okay. So P into 2 plus 1 3 minus P square is equal, let us do cross product, 2 times of Q. What is the answer? P into 3 minus P square is equal to Q. So P into, our target is P square minus 3. Multiply minus 1 on both sides. Okay, this 3 minus P square is P square minus 3 equal to minus 2Q. So what is the answer? Minus 2Q. Okay, look at the next question. If x lies between 0 to pi and 81 power sin square x plus 81 power cos square x is equal to 30 given, then we have to find the value of x. Okay. So what is given? 81 power sin square x plus 81 power this cos square x. Cos square x formula we have 1 minus sin square x is equal to 30. Okay, we have a to the power m minus n is equal to a to the power m by a to the power n. We should applying a to the power m minus n formula. Okay, it will going to be 81 power sin square x plus 81 power 1 by 81 power sin square x is equal to 30. So let us take 81 power sin square x is 81 power sin square x is equal to small a. Okay, therefore it will be a plus 81 by a is equal to 30. So let us do LCM. What is LCM? A square plus 81 by a is equal to 30. It will going to be a square plus 81 is equal, let us do cross product, 30a. Plus 30a bring the left side. A square minus 30a plus 81 is equal to 0. A square minus, okay. So 81 factors 27 3 81 27 3 minus 27a minus 3a plus 81 is equal to 0. Okay, we have got this value. In this first two terms, a take out common, a minus 27. Next minus 3 take out common, a minus 27 equal to 0. Next a minus 27 take out common into a minus 3 equal to 0. Okay. Now explain case 1. A minus 27 equal to 0. Therefore a is equal to 27. Where a value 81 power sin square x is equal to 27. 81 can be written as 3 to the power 4 power sin square x is equal to 27, right? 3 cube. We have a to the power m whole power n is a to the power mn. 3 to the power 4 sin square x is equal to 3 cube. If bases equal, powers are equal. Okay, it will going to be 4 sin square x is equal to 3. Therefore, sin square x is equal to 3 by 4. Sin x is equal to plus or minus 3 root 3 by 2. Okay, but in statement what is given? Where x lies between 0 to pi. Between 0 to pi, sin x is positive. So let us take only positive value. Therefore, x is equal to 60 degrees. Okay, now explain case 2. So a is equal to 3. So a minus 3 equal to 0. Therefore, a is equal to 3. So a place we should write 81 power sin square x is equal to 3. 3 to the power 1. 81. It can be written as 3 to the power 4. 3 to the power 4 sin square x is equal to 3 to the power 1. If bases equal, powers are equal. Okay, it will going to be 4 sin square x is equal to 1. Sin square x is equal to 1 by 4. Therefore, sin x is equal to, let us take only positive value because x lies between 0 to pi. Sin x is positive. So, x is equal to 30 degrees. So, answers are 60 degrees and 30 degrees. Okay, moving to next question. Cosecant square alpha value given 4xy by x plus y whole square. Okay, 4 options are given. So, possible for x is equal to y. First option, impossible for x is equal to y. Second option, possible for x is equal to minus y. And fourth option is not possible. Okay. So, what is given right? First, cosecant square alpha is equal to 4xy by x plus y whole square. Okay. By 1. So, let us do reciprocal of cosecant square alpha is sin square alpha. So, reciprocal of 4xy by x plus y whole square is x plus y whole square by 4xy. But sin square alpha is lies between 0 to 1. Okay. So, sin square alpha less than or equal to 1. Right? Less than or equal to 1. Sin square alpha value x plus y whole square by 4xy less than or equal to 1. So, let us do cross product x plus y whole square less than or equal to 4xy. This plus 4xy brings left side. X plus y whole square minus 4xy less than or equal to 0. It will going to be, we have a plus b whole square minus 4ab is a minus b whole square. X minus y whole square less than or equal to 0. Therefore, x less than or x minus y less than or equal to 0. So, x equal to y. X minus y equal to 0. And x is equal x minus y less than 0. Okay, therefore x is equal to x minus y, bring the right side, x is equal to y. So option 1 correct. Possible for x is equal to y. Okay, now explain case 2 x less than y. So x less than y, sin square alpha equal to x plus y whole square by 4xy. So let us take one example, 1 less than 2. Okay. So on x place write 1, y place into, it will going to be sin square alpha equal to 1 plus 2 whole square by 4 into 1 into 2. It will going to be 9 by 8. 9 by 8 value. So 1 point something greater than 1. Okay, this is not possible. Not defined. When x less than y. Because sin square alpha lies between 0 to 1. So only x is equal to y possible. Thank you for watching. Remaining problems I will explain on coming class.